fresh stock Alpha 6.
Yeah, this is Alpha 6. These are T-brackets. These are the plates.
Some plates.
These are diff mounts. Diff mounts right down there. Diff mount. Alpha 6.
Full stock.
Man, this is so much stuff.
Rectangle with a circle in it.
Missing from your brain.
What's this? Oh, that's the T-bracket.
All custom stuff.
T-brackets. Oh, yeah. We got the plate.
All our stock is in. Time to start banging out, man.
Yep. Alpha 6.
Welding Gallo Alpha 6.
They got BB guns. They shoot you off with. They shoot you with BB guns.
They shoot you off the train?
Yeah.
Oh, you weren't in a little
Everything up on this Toyota. Beep. Oh, beep beep beep.
Ain't going nowhere right now.
There's a hard truck.
Man, Devon has a lovely home right here.
Hey, how much?
Lovely. Shop in the back. Railroad tracks.
How much for the bumper?
Trees. Typical Florida home. Welcome to Florida, guys.
Nothing's for sale, man. For you. You never want to sell nothing.
I'll be selling you everything.
You don't want to sell nothing to me.
You don't want to sell me nothing.
I'm going to just borrow your truck
You
one
can just
day.
give it to me. If you don't give it to me, it's not for sale. Put it that way. That's how I be feeling. Like, damn, you don't give it to me. I know you ain't gonna give it to me. Can I have it soon? Nope. Goddamn. I give you some money. Nope. Like, shit. Guess it don't change. Money don't change. So you think it's gonna work?
Yes, come on.
I'm glad you didn't get here 10 minutes earlier because you'd be like, you better replace that.
Find it first.
Oh shit.
It's on the low right now. It's just going to high.
Oh shit.
I'm joking. I know. I'm just joking.
Come on, turn it on.
Huh?
You should have cleaned it out like this. You're fine. All right, come on, move over there.
Yeah, look, I'm trying to get him over there.
Hey, what I bring? Hey, do this. What I bring? Hey, here. Flip that now. Flip coin. Yeah. Hey, gangster. Hey, 0.337. We're about to go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go where no one has been before.
Have you tried it?
No.
Devon's backyard. Devon, come give me a tour. Let's get a tour, man.
Really?
Yeah, come on, bro.
In my junkyard.
This is called Florida cribs. Don't hate, but when the cars come out on the road, they're mint.
Would this hold though? I don't want to try it.
I don't know, dude. That's what I'm saying. I would say so. I pushed.
Man, I'm gonna do the tour my damn self. What we have right here. It's an EG coupe. I don't know what he's gonna put in here. He has a S2000 right here. He has two of them. He has a EM1, no, like a EK coupe. EK coupe. That's that monster.
Donation.
I got a gas tank.
Whoa. That's a Florida one. I'll get you. Yeah, I got everything up in here.
E-Series, H-Series,
He's a steady collector.
J-Series.
It's a JDM shop. He has a. What we have here?
The E30. With the
E30.
case swap that we did.
Wow, nice.
Case swap. So he's getting it all wired up now. So
Case swap,
it's
you
about
put-
time.
Right?
We did this like rushed us, okay? Rushed us.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Got to get done. We got it done for him. Look where it's sitting. But the good news is, see, you got the harness. Look, see, harness is coming together.
Nice.
You ordered some stuff, so it's coming along. E30.
Sweet, sweet, sweet.
The freak are you doing?
It's hot, man.
Oh my god.
Doing it?
Yeah.
Fucking doing it. I thought he was just kidding. No, man.
We need some AC up in here. Dang, he's ruining his pants.
Hey, I gotta take the pants. Or he's making them better. Now back to the 80s.
Oh my god.
Getting the brackets together.
Yeah, getting this T-bracket. We were gonna stop making these, but there was so much people wanted it, you know, so because the other one that they've been using was cracking the block. So we wanted to, and a lot of people didn't know that we were making these, but we made it. And then we ran out, so, and we were gonna stop making it, but he was asking for. So we're like, yeah, let's just go ahead and make it. You know.
The manual's up there, right?
Yes. Because you know we usually make stuff for like the back end, pretty much the back end. We don't really do anything in the front end of this thing, yeah. So but since this was the man and we had it already and all that, so we're like, well, let's just go ahead and make it. So what's different about this than some other ones is we actually have to remount it once, you know, so it doesn't flex. Because what was happening was like these other mounts they were using with high horsepower, this block right here would actually crack.
Okay.
So, but there's no way it's gonna go anywhere because of this one here. See, we have 1, 2, and then the third one here. Okay. So we're just getting it so make sure, you know. So we're using it as a jig, so they can't say it doesn't fit because
it actually fits right here.
Yeah, we're actually mounting it on the car, you know, before. And we're gonna weld it. Then after that, we're gonna get it powder coated, and then it's be ready to order. So these are the ones that's tacking up, getting over there tacking up. So as you can see, once we get everything all tacked up, then we're gonna start welding it.
Dead eyes, yep. Blink, sending Morse code with the eyes, bro.
With the K series in the EGEK with the EG subframe.
EG subframe, right?
Yeah.
K series and the EG with the EG subframe.
Yes. We got one in the EM one out there. We had one that we modified, made it shorter to fit the CRX, K series CRX.
Minding my own business, then I look to my right and I see this. What the heck is going on there?
Oh, it's hot.
Oh my!
What happened? You messing up? You good? You know he's the pie master.
Pie master? Yeah, I'm known as the pie master in these parts.
Are those ones better or what?
They seem better. They're perfectly aligned, but for some reason, they look a little crooked.
Well, there's a bunch of crooked stuff together right there, so it's gonna look crooked. Dirt. They're perfect, bro. They're perfect.
Something's not right.
No, I'm telling you, this line right here is not lined up with this, but the curve is good.
No, the curve is not good. Something's not right. This last one.
The last one?
This is crooked.
I know it's crooked.
No, the lines are perfect, but the thing is crooked. See, this one's perfect.
It's crooked.
This one's not.
Okay, you know why?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm gonna show you why. Because
But I use the dots.
it is. Remember, this line here, right? Is it crooked this way? Is there a line here?
No, there's no line on that side. I use the dots. I did 180, 180. It looks like they're all these three. It looks like just the last one. I'm gonna rip the last one off. Oh, it's crooked?
Wrong line.
Wrong line.
Wrong line.
He must have been doing it
This one's
blindfolded.
like that too, though.
Yeah, he'll get it. I'll check back in. This thing, monster.
Sprinter?
Yes, I was friend. What year is it? Is that everything custom in this?
98, yeah.
98.
And then it's got front air ride seats and then built a center console and all that.
That's awesome.
Jeez, this is your daily, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man, so what a daily, dude.
It's a paint. Paint job.
This thing is mud.
Airbag.
Yeah.
Airbag.
Slam it. Candy paint. Can't believe this guy daily here. He came to pick up one of our products and came at least an hour and a half away, almost 2 hours. Didn't know that he's gonna roll up to this. It sounds, engine sounds nice when you pull up though. I mean, alright, cool. Look at this thing. Gonna pop the hood? Oh, what?
We're gonna build one.
Hey.
We're gonna build one, but we're gonna have more. But the way I want to slam blow it up so we can put a trailer. Well, not to put a trailer, but we're
It
gonna.
says 24.5s on it, so it's like, but yeah, it's got a big air to water.
Jeez.
And then the compound setups on the other side.
Sweet.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And I built, that's where I, this is the Super Duty radiator,
Yeah.
and I put 2 electric fans on it.
Sweet.
It's kind of hard to pipe in the compounds, but I got them to fit in there.
What the? Look at this.
So we could
Where's
get
the other
this thing
turbo?
right. We could get like,
Twin big ass turbo.
if we could get like a 30-foot, whatever, we could put all our cars on it.
I know.
Take it to the show.
Take it to the show. I know. My god, dude.
It's
thing-
paint and all that now, but
This thing is a monster.
yeah.
Let's see if I can get out in here for a pick. Oh. Holy shit. Jesus.
Got the twinsy.
I know what I'm saying. What the heck? Look, I'm all up in the engine, man. Yeah, this is definitely end of time vehicle you got going on here.
Well, I lifted the head once, and then and because it makes like 60 pounds of boost real quick,
Oh, okay.
so I had
He said real quick.
I got head studs for it,
Oh, I see.
and then I have cleaned the block back up.
Oh, I see.
Oh, nice, man. Nice. So you have your own shop or what? Just a hobby?
Yeah, no, I have a fabrication shop,
Fabrication shop?
Heffner Enterprise in Kissimmee.
Kissimmee? Oh, nice.
But
Oh, shit, that's fun.
yeah,
No, it's, yeah, I mean, it's I mean, if you're gonna drive this.
It only cost us $300 to get here. It's only 45 minutes away.
It's
Oh yeah, gas prices.
Do you have it set up on? Yeah, you have it set up on
mile a gallon on just the highway.
Oh yeah.
It's not horrible.
Yeah, just at the Tundra. Same thing right here.
Yeah.
That's crazy, right? That's crazy.
When y'all park, please be mindful that we have tight parking to leave enough space for at least a car. That one's like right in the middle.
Yeah, look at that Tundra. I'm just flexing. I'm just
You
flexing.
can't park to the left, you can't park to the right.
I'm just flexing.
So, what she's referring us to.
So you need to move your damn car either to the left or to the
Dude,
right.
look at my car. I'm just flexing.
Nah, dude. Nah, dude.
No, I wanted to back up, but
Look how the cameras have turned.
the thing was in the way.
Days of our lives.
Go ahead. Dude, I pointed the trailer. See the trailer?
What the
I
hell?
missed the trailer.
We got shit to park
I
here,
wanted to
bro.
park back so I can kick up in the air like that, but the trailer was in the way.
Wrong.
It would have kicked back.
Hey,
You think this is like a car show?
Hey.
Bro, yeah, there's a car show every time I park.
hey, wrong, wrong, wrong.
And then
What's up, man?
you seen the box up top? That box, yeah.
KK's explaining the kit to him.
See how mine you have ripples, but once you weld it, bang, it'll fit perfect. Okay, that's nice. I'll give you a heads up. All right.
What car do you have?
EK Hutch.
EK Hatch, nice man.
It's even better.
Sweet man. So he's picking up a full-on kit today.
This one needs like a little bit of cosmetic work.
Everything right there.
Yeah.
Two, nice.
It depends on, I guess, how many you get.
Taking wheels.
You see something,
Did you ask if he wants to do it? Okay.
No man.
You never gave him a.
Once you cross this line here, everything's over. Oh, everything's over.
Come show people how much I do here. Come on. I do rap now, so you guys need your phone wrap. You just come
So
over
this
here.
one,
Look how nice this is.
Just remember, I'm not just a mechanic here.
Look at all the bubbles in it. He said, let's leave it in the sun for 10 hours.
What do you mean? Where do you even see a bubble? Show me the
I'm joking, bro.
Okay, guys.
I'll see you later, bye.
Hi, Christian, thank you.
Hi, Christian, man. Good to meet you. Yeah. This is a NSX that we worked on today. Nothing major. That's window regulators. Chad banged them out with the swiftness. Took like half a day. Another car we're doing. Power steering. Pump. Work on everything. Oh, these ones are all completed, ready to get welded.
Yep, this is what they look like all welded up. We still gotta send them out to get powder coated. 3 to 5 business days, and they'll be ready to
Ship out.
order.
Nice. They look
So, yeah,
clean. Yep.
that's pretty much it. You know, don't forget to like, subscribe, on our YouTube channel and get it lit.
All-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind that's killing time.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get by.